Hi everyone, this is Laurel back at ya. I am out in northern Wisconsin and I am hiking and you can hear the waterfalls in the background. Oh, and someone that's in the waterfalls is letting out a whoop and a holler. But if you look, it's just beautiful out today. Sunny skies and the trees are just marvelous. I'm up on the hill from the waterfalls, but this is just absolutely beautiful. And what I want to do for you today while I'm showing you this, and as you're listening to the waterfalls and the birds, I want to do a card draw for you. And there's the sun shining through. Isn't that beautiful? So I'm going to set the camera down, trying to go slow. And I'm camped out on a picnic table right here. And I'm going to put the camera in the position and pull my backpack away. And I'm going to just do a shuffle. I am using, I believe it's called the Good Earth cards. I'll show you the cards. Those are the cards I'm using today. And I'm going to do a quick draw for the collective. What does the collective have to know for today? Specifically, if you are a twin flame in the collective, what do you need to know as a twin flame in the collective? What do you need to know as a twin flame in the collective? Wow. What do you need to know as a twin flame in the collective? Wow. All right. Incredible. So I'm going to pick up the camera so you can get a good look at this. So we got past, present, and future energies and an overall energy of full moon completion. Wow. It's huge. Full moon is coming up on the 29th, the day before my birthday. Woohoo! In the past energy, we have ceremony, invocation. I'm seeing the light energy coming in to the divine feminine. Wow, lots of light energy. And she's invoking magic. She's got her crystals out and she's manifesting all that she wants in her life and what she wants her life to look like. I'm seeing the thing hanging on the fireplace as an owl. Wisdom. There's a key hanging in the background if you see that. Like we have the key to unlocking all that is not, all that is veiled to us. See that key more clearly. I'm seeing the candles. Seeing the body, I believe that's like the remnant of the past. In the past. And there's a basket with a white feathers in, gifts from God, signs from heaven. And the snake, shedding of layers in order to manifest. And the present, that was the past energy. This is the present, fairies and earth magic. And where am I today? I am out in nature, enjoying the waterfalls. And you look, she's standing on a beautiful flower. Emanating from the flower is the fairy, the light, the divine feminine, the magic. So being out in nature today is going to be very, very powerful and beneficial for the twins. There's going to be There's going to be receiving of light from the plants around you, and look at all the little orbs of light. Important to be out in nature today, receiving. Wow, lots of help out in nature today. Earth magic. And then the dragonfly, emergence. Oh my gosh. Dragonfly can symbolize protection, but it's also light. So much light. And again, she is out in nature, emerging herself in nature and with the animals. And I love how there's two dragonflies shown on her head, symbolizing, I believe, the twins and the higher perspective of the twins. There's the light, the power of the light through nature, hanging out on the flower. I see her eyes are intent and focused, and clarity comes in when she's out in nature about the higher connection. Wow, and the purity is all around her. Look at the flowers, the white. And then there's creativity coming through in the orange. Orange. And all the growth and health that's coming through the mind, the crown chakra, and the third eye, the power of the intuition for the twins. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then the overall energy today is completion, the full moon, and we have a full moon this week. I'm getting it's a completion of a journey, wrapping up loose ends, completion of a journey to begin anew. Wow. The full moon is bringing in that completion. That's wild. And again, you see the tree in nature. Wow. Wow. Thank you for being on my channel. I'm going to give you a glimpse of nature again before we part. And I want to say thank you. Thank you for coming to my channel, finding its wisdom, and thank you for the love and the peace and the blessings by coming to my channel. I love you all, and I wish you so much love, peace, and joy. Namaste.